Time to take my daily supplement of iron. I wonder how much iron there is in there. Let's find out.
So we are going to use a volumetric flask, potassium permanganate, distilled water, an iron tablet, a burette, a beaker, a graduated cylinder, sulfuric acid, mortar and pestle, and an Erlenmeyer flask. So first we crush an iron tablet, and then we add it to the Erlenmeyer flask. And then we add about 15 milliliters of sulfuric acid and about 100 milliliters of distilled water. Swirl the mixture to dissolve. In the next step, we weigh about 0.125 grams of potassium permanganate. And then we add the potassium permanganate to the volumetric flask. And now we fill up the volumetric flask up to the line. And then, once that is finished, invert the flask and mix the solution. Pour the potassium permanganate solution into the burette. As the solution is titrated, this is the reaction that occurs. So now we titrate the solution until we get a nice pink color. To calculate the molarity of the potassium permanganate solution, we use the initial mass of potassium permanganate and divide it by its molar mass to get the number of moles we used. And then we divide moles over liters used to get molarity. And then we can use molarity and the milliliters of potassium permanganate we used to determine the mass of iron inside one pill.
Oh, so then there must be 27 milligrams of iron. Amazing.
Hey Kevin, so what are you doing?
I just found out the amount of iron inside those pills.
But couldn't you just see the label?
Where?
Right here, 27 milligrams.